All right, everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Going to be doing a quick project update for Baby Pangolin Coin. It's been a little bit since I did a video, so I thought I'd do one for you guys just to give you a little update on what's going on. So let's go over to check out our miners. Right now, the Alpha miners are doing $3.60 a day, which is about $100 a month. The Caspa miners, $1.30 daily. Obviously, when the price goes down, our rewards go down, and obviously it's the opposite. If the price goes up, we're going to be making more money off these miners. So just waiting it out. Hopefully, crypto will come back again soon, and we can start really raking it in here. So, as far as the electrical expenses go for the miners, I've been absorbing that cost. It's not much. Um, I don't mind doing it. Something, to get the project growing faster. At some point, I'm going to have to take that out of profits. But right now, I'm just going to cover that for the project to get more rewards out to holders. So we got, this is going to fluctuate, but it's about 75 cents a day. So we're getting about $100 for the Alpha miners, 75 cents a day. For the Caspa miners, these are, estimates because it fluctuates every day. It's about 22 bucks. So $122 for the miners. Let's shoot over to the vault here. And as you can see, the vault is growing. You can go over to Telegram if you're not familiar with Baby PengolinCoin, and you can see our assets that produce rewards for holders of Baby PengolinCoin. You stake your Baby PengolinCoin tokens in the Clever wallet. Every month, on the first of the month, I distribute the rewards in the staking, so you claim it through staking in your wallet. Look at Kunai grew from 135,330 to 142,078. PMD grew, which is the Pandemic Games token, grew from 338,604 to 381,604. So Skullcoin SKC grew from 14,766 to 62,719. I try to compound that every day, so I'm claiming and restaking, and we get PMD and SKC through our mining stations. We have 3 mining station S's that produce or mine PMD and SKC. We get those hourly, I believe. So Kong grew a little bit. You can see here, like a little less than 400. But there's going to be a big payout. We have Kong NFTs. And, the payouts are here for these. We have some ghosts, black holes, gold, silver, aliens. We have a whole bunch. So we're going to be getting... I think like several million at least Kong. That's going to drop October 31st. So our Kong will grow a lot when that happens. And we'll get more rewards from Kong. All right, so if you're not familiar with Baby Penguin Coin, we have 2 play-to-earn games. One is Pandemic Match for iOS and Google. And one, it's kind of like Puzzle Bobble if you ever play Puzzle Bobble. And we have another one that is Neighborhood Defense. Pandemic Games Play to Earn Neighborhood Defense. So you get PMD and 3 million Baby Penguin Coin every week as the prize pool for Neighborhood Defense. Daily for Pandemic Match, it's 400,000 Baby Penguin Coin. I'm not sure what it is for PMD offhand. I have to check it. Let's see what else. Well, those are Casper miners. Yeah, so I think that's going to be about it for that. You can go over to chat if you have a question. We have 9,099 holders, I believe it was. So that's a new record. And you can always check cleverscan.org /asset/BPGOK. That's an O, not a 0, -10PP. So we burned 605 million, and I like to say when I mention this is that Baby PengolinCoin has no minting function, so we can't create tokens out of thin air. The initial supply was 8 billion, circulating supply is 7,395,000,000 now. So this has gone up to 9,099 about holders. And as you can see, there's a lot staked. So that helps stabilize the price. Let's see. Yeah, see 9,099 holders last time I checked. So if you want to see what our vault is, like what do we have in the vault, I have it here. Let me see. I think I just posted it a little while ago. So you're going to go scroll up again in the vault and see if I can. Oh, here we go. So this is the latest passive income assets. The last time I posted this, you can see all the assets here that produce rewards for our holders. See, we have 45 FOMO Ape NFTs. It's going to give off some Kong tokens October 31st. And all these produce passive income rewards for holders of Baby PengolinCoin. So if you're interested in Baby PengolinCoin, you're interested in learning about it more, maybe even purchasing some, you can come over here to babypengolincoin.xyz, and all the links are here. And this is all the information you're going to find about Baby PengolinCoin. And you can see if you scroll way down here on the bottom, bitcoin.me, that's the link for Baby PengolinCoin on Clever Chain. You can also swap on VoxSwap. You can swap right in the wallet. It has several different pairs. US Dollar Tether and Clever are the two main ones. So what you want to do is send your Clever or buy some Clever right in the wallet or US Dollar Tether, and you can swap it right for Baby PengolinCoin and stake it right in the wallet as well. I think that's going to do it, guys. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. We just had a swap contest, went very well, and the winners were just announced. I did apply to CoinGecko. I apply every couple weeks. We keep getting denied for some reason. I'm not really sure why or what they're looking for. You can see here in the pinned comments up here, pinned messages rather, oh, that's the vault. So you're going to go over to chat, and you can see I applied to CoinGecko again. But, you know, a couple days after I apply, I usually hear from them saying that it's kind of like a generated email that we didn't get approved. We got a Baby PengolinCoin store if you're interested in t-shirt or coffee mugs. You can buy it there. It helps. Everything goes back to the project to help grow the project. So again, yeah, we're pretty close to our all-time high. If you go over here to Discord, Baby PengolinCoin here. I got Medium articles. I've got YouTube videos. I've got latest tokenomics. And down here, you can go to the info bot and you can type in exclamation point number sign price, and it'll pop up the price. You can do volume as well if you wanted to check it if you're not on Bitcoin.me. And if you have questions, you can ask here or Telegram. Here's my YouTube. Here's my Medium, blogs, wallet listings, announcements, etc. All right, guys, I think that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. If you have any questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll leave Baby PengolinCoin link in the description of the video. It has all the links that you need, social media, exchanges, frequently asked questions, and all that good stuff. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.